Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video, subject theory of machines, dynamics, problems on natural frequency of free vibrations. Consider a problem. A circular cylinder of mass m and radius r is connected by a spring of stiffness k on an inclined smooth surface as shown in figure. If the cylinder is free to roll on the surface without slipping, determine the natural frequency of the system. Let x be the displacement given to the cylinder. As spring is attached to the cylinder, the spring also will have a displacement of x along with the cylinder. As cylinder is free to roll on the surface, while moving linearly, the cylinder will have rolling motion also. Let theta be the angular rotation of the cylinder due to linear displacement of x. It implies linear displacement x is equal to r theta. Let angular velocity of the cylinder equal to theta dot. It implies linear velocity of the cylinder x dot equal to r theta dot. Mass moment of inertia of the cylinder equal to 1 by 2 mr square. The energies on the system are 1. Kinetic energy of the cylinder due to linear motion x. Kinetic energy of the cylinder due to rotation. Potential energy stored in the spring. Kinetic energy of the cylinder due to linear motion x equal to 1 by 2 mx dot square. As x is equal to r theta, it implies x dot is r theta dot. Kinetic energy of the cylinder due to linear motion x equal to 1 by 2 m r square theta dot square. Kinetic energy of the cylinder due to rotation equal to 1 by 2 I theta dot square. By substituting the value of I as 1 by 2 mr square, kinetic energy of the cylinder due to rotation equal to 1 by 4 mr square theta dot square. Potential energy stored in the spring equal to 1 by kx square. As x is equal to r theta, potential energy stored in the spring equal to 1 by 2 kr square theta square. As per energy method, total energy of a vibrating system is constant. Total energy equal to 1 by 2 mr square theta dot square plus 1 by 4 mr square theta dot square plus 1 by 2 kr square theta square equal to constant. By differentiating the above equation with respect to time, d by dt of 1 by 2 mr square theta dot square plus 1 by 4 mr square theta dot square plus 1 by 2 kr square theta square equal to 0. It implies 1 by 2 mr square 2 theta dot theta double dot plus 1 by 4 mr square 2 theta dot theta double dot plus 1 by 2 kr square 2 theta theta dot equal to 0. By simplifying and cancelling r square and theta dot, the resultant equation is 3 by 2 m theta double dot plus k theta equal to 0. It implies theta double dot plus 2k by 3m theta equal to 0. This is the governing equation of the given vibrating system, which is representing simple harmonic motion. The coefficient of theta gives square of natural frequency in radians per second. It implies omega n equal to root over 2k by 3m radians per second. Natural frequency Fn equal to 1 by 2 pi root over 2k by 3m cycles per second. Consider another problem. Find the natural frequency of oscillations of the liquid column of length L in a U-tube as shown in figure. This is the U-tube. Assume A is area of cross section of the U-tube and rho is mass density of liquid. L is length of the liquid column. Rho is mass density of the liquid. A is area of cross section of the U-tube. Mass of the liquid column equal to rho AL. Let x be the displacement of liquid column from the equilibrium position at any instant. X dot is the velocity of each particle of the liquid at any instant. Kinetic energy of the liquid column equal to 1 by 2 rho AL x dot square. During vibrations, one side of the liquid column will be raised to a height of x relative to the other side of the liquid column. That means mass of x length of the column is gaining potential energy. The mass of the liquid that is rising equal to rho AX. Potential energy of the rising liquid equal to mass into g into height raised from the mean position. G is acceleration due to gravity. It implies potential energy equal to rho AX into g into x, that is equal to rho AG x square. As per energy method, the sum of the energies of any vibrating system at any instant is constant. Total energy equal to 1 by 2 rho AL x dot square plus rho AG x square equal to constant. By differentiating the above equation with respect to time, d by dt of 1 by 2 rho AL x dot square plus rho AG x square equal to 0. It implies 1 by 2 rho AL into 2 into x dot x double dot plus rho AG 2 into x dot equal to 0. By simplifying and cancelling terms x dot, rho and a, the equation results into L x double dot plus 2gx equal to 0. It implies x double dot plus 2g by L x equal to 0. This is the governing equation of the vibrating system. This equation represents simple harmonic motion. The coefficient of x gives square of natural frequency in radians per second. Omega n equal to root over 2g by L radians per second. Fn equal to 1 by 2 pi root over 2g by L cycles per second.